Welcome back everyone, I'm Yashika and today I'm going to discuss about HTML. Now I've already made a video on beginning with HTML in which I have given you the introduction to HTML. So if you have not viewed it, go watch it and then come back to this video to learn it more clearly. Let's begin with HTML. HTML document format, you can see the opening HTML, then opening head, opening title, closing head, okay, closing body means opening body, and after writing the body, we close body, and then after that, we close HTML. So this is the document format. Now we'll understand about each and every section one by one. So the first section is HTML section. What is HTML section? The HTML documents begin with this HTML tag here. It identifies the document as a HTML file. The entire document is enclosed within this. Okay. Now in the format you might have seen that after writing all the codes, I put this and at the beginning I put this. Marks beginning of HTML coded document syntax. So first HTML this and then after writing the whole codes we'll put this tag. Okay. Now head section opens with head and closes with close head. Okay. Now about these opening tags and closing tags also I have discussed in the previous video, the introductory video. The information of head section is written between these two tags. This section also encloses title section. It is written after this HTML tag. Okay. Now syntax HTML head, then here title is put, then head close, then here body, then HTML closed. Title section. Now title section I told now this section is defined within head section. It displays the title of web page on title bar when executed. So if you execute the web page and you have given the title, suppose my program, so what will happen? My program will be written on the title bar. Now syntax HTML head, then title close, head, here body is written. It's not written right now because we have not discussed about it, and then HTML. Now the body section. The main contents of document are specified in body section. The contents like text, image, etc. to be displayed are mentioned within this tab. Links can also be added in this section. Okay. So about links, text, how to add them, how to apply, all these things I'll discuss to you one by one respectively. Okay. Now, finally, let's move to the next. How to create and save HTML documents. So, how to do this? Let's do it practically using Notepad so that we can understand it more clearly. So, let's open Notepad. So, here, Notepad. Okay. So, I have opened it. Okay. Now, we need to remember the format. Okay. So, we'll use our memories and let's use the format. First was HTML. After that it was head. Okay. Then after that it was title. Right. Now, suppose the title we want it to be like my first program. How's the name? Now, after that, let's close the title. We have closed it. Now we'll close the head. Any mistake in the format can lead to wrong HTML document. Okay. Body. Now we have not learned much about body, right? So let's write a simple sentence like myself, Yashika. Okay. Sahu. Nice to meet you. Okay. Let's write it like simply, or let's write it you. Okay. Written. Let's close body. We have closed it. Now after that what we'll do? After that closing the body. Now after that we'll close the HTML. Why? Because we have ended the codes. Now we'll put the closing HTML tag at last. Now the next step, save as. Save as I want it to be in desktop only. Okay, for me. Easy for me. We'll delete it. Now let's put it like myself Yashika .html. Very important. This extension यहाँ पे the most of the mistakes happen here only. यहीं पे हम लोग से हमेशा चूक हो जाती है. Okay, we didn't put this. We don't put this one, and then after that we think that our computer is not working properly. But actually, we have not put the extension. Now, without putting extension, let's see what happens. See here, I made it. See, it is saved like the notepad one only. Now you'll think, what is this? Is this a joke? I have made it coded for HTML, but no HTML file because we have not put the extension, right? So for the correct one, once again, let's repeat save as. Now here, desktop once again. Now after that, what we are going to do? .html. Oh, the name was erased. Okay. Myself Yashika Sahu. Okay, let's .html. Done. Now we'll get my HTML file. See, here I've got HTML file. Actually, it opens with Microsoft Edge. Okay, but for you it will first ask if you want it in Google Chrome or Mozilla. You can choose it, right? See, the answer we got. Myself Yashika Sahu. Nice to meet you, right? Now let's move to the presentation. You've returned. Now, the next topic, tags and attributes. Now about tags, I've told about empty tags, container tags, their difference. Okay, everything I have told. Okay, let's once again see it, right? So, coded commands are called tags. Attributes are the extra feature that can be added to the tags to change and enhance the appearance of contents when executed in the web page. Okay, so for if we want our content to be very beautiful, it should be attractive. Okay, so for that we use attributes. By adding attributes, we can enhance the appearance of contents. The attributes are put just after the opening tag. Now here, I'm going to show the syntax of attribute. Okay, see, tag name, then the attribute, then the value, and then close the tag. The next attributes. So in this video, I'll cover these attributes. BG color, font tags. Now there are three types of attribute in font tags: the color attribute, size attribute, and phase attribute. BR tag, center tag, HR tag, P tag. P tags basically is paragraph tag, and text highlighting tags. Everything we'll discuss today, and in the upcoming videos also I'll explain about some of the attributes, right? Let's begin. So BG color is the first one. It is used to set background colors to the web page. The syntax is body BG color is equal to the color name, then close body. Let's do it practically. But before that, one very interesting thing which you should know, and you'll have a lot of fun learning this as well. Remember, every color has a code of 6 characters, which is combination of red, blue, and green. F means fill color and 0 means empty. Okay, this is a key. Now, okay, so the format is RR, GG, BB. So RR means red, GG means green, and BB means blue. Now, for example, anybody has given you a question like, tell me which color I want. If I have written hashtag FF0000. Okay, so what will be the answer from your side? Then you mean green. Sorry, you mean red. Okay, because the format is RRGGBB. So first is RR, and RR stands for red. So we have said to fill R means red, and we have to empty the green and blue color. Okay. Now if somebody has given you hashtag 00FF00. So what will be the answer to this? The answer will be green, right? Now, one more question I want to give you all. Suppose I have written hashtag 0000FF. Comment me below and answer me whether you know or not. Okay? Once again, I repeat the question. Hashtag hashtag 0000FF. Please comment me. Okay. Now, font tag attributes. The first is color attribute. Okay. It is used to set color of text. The syntax you can see, hashtag font color is equal to color name, text and font. Okay. Now, the size attribute sets or changes the size of text of web page. Either write directly, you can either write directly the font size, or you can write like the default is plus 3, 3, and suppose you want it to be increased to 4. So plus 1 we know. So you can write font size equal to plus 1. Okay. You can either like this or directly write 4. Okay. Now, the next is face attribute. Face attribute means sets the font face. The syntax is now as many font name you can give by putting the commas in between and inverted double quotes. Okay, here you can see font name 1, font name 2, font name 3, text, font, close. Now let's apply all these we have learned till now. Here, see, till BG color we have started from BG color. So let's apply this in our notepad. Okay, fasten. We'll open the notepad. See, I opened. फटाक से लिख दिया. HTML head, title, close, head. Now, after that body. Okay. After that body. Now, as I told, the attributes have to be written after the opening tag, but separated by space. Separated. Now, BG color is the first one we are going to discuss. Is equal to then the color name. Okay. The color name, suppose I want it to be green. Suppose. Okay. You can either like this, or you can write like hashtag 0000FF. Okay. Let's see if I'm correct. See. Okay. So 00FF00. Sorry, I told something and wrote something. Okay. Then close. You can write like this. Computer language, directly write green. Okay. Let's write like this only. Now after writing this, let's go to view the syntax once, right? See, color name. Then after that, we'll close the body, right? See. Now we'll close the body. Done. Now after writing this whole, we'll close HTML. Go to file, save as. Okay. Then write it like hi, just give short names. Okay, this is just for demonstrative purpose, right? That's fine. See, hi. Okay, here let me open this. See, this background is whole green as I told you. Let's move to the next topic. Font tag attributes. We were talking about the color attribute. So how to put that? Open the notepad. Okay, so we have opened it. Let's remove this. After writing body, close that and write font. Okay, understood? Then font color is equal to, within double quotes we'll write a color. Let's write suppose green only. Okay, close it. Now after that, let's close this tag. We'll write the text Yashika. Okay, let's short things. And then font. Close font. Close body. Close HTML. Done? Done now? Now save as. Let's save it with some else name, right? Okay, so given the name. Let's move to the desktop. See my. It's opening. So I see Yashika is written with green color, right? Now the next font, let's see it. The size attribute, see, right? See, instead of font color, we'll just write that font size, okay? Or you color also. Color is equal to, we want it to be green. Okay. Then the size, you can write it like this, is equal to, everything should be within double quotes, okay? Otherwise it would be wrong. 6, or you can write plus, as I told the default value is 3, so plus 3 it would be, right? Plus 3, you can either write this, but I want it to be 6 only, right? Then after that, the font face, let's font face, I want it to be in Comic Sans MS. Sorry. Okay. The text I have already given. Then the font close. Let's take okay. Dot HTML. Run. Done. Now let's run it. Okay. Let's open it. See. First, Yashika. You can see here, right? Maybe I have made some mistake. Yeah, see. Okay, done. Understood everything? Now let's move to the next part. We are done with this. Now let's move to the next part. Okay. BR tag. It is an empty tag used to show line break, used when sentences are to be displayed in separate lines. So the syntax is BR contain. Now you will think, why I have not put the forward slash rule? Because it is empty tag. And in empty tag, in case of empty tags, we just put this one. Okay. Let's do this also in Notepad. See. Okay. Done. Till here now. Body. So we need to apply the BR tag. Okay. So let's suppose we'll do like, let's apply BG color. Okay. BG color, suppose we want it as aqua. Let's make it aqua. Okay. Then after that we'll write BR tag. Okay. Okay. So like we'll write India. Okay. Sorry. First we'll write it like BR India. Right. According to the syntax we have to work. BR India. Enter then once again BR Australia. Australia. After that once again BR Pakistan. Okay, done. This is enough. Now what we'll do? It's done. Now we'll close the body tag. Close HTML. Run. Let's run it now. Fast. Make it desktop. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's. Okay. It's generated. Hello.html. Okay. See, aqua color and everything is written in separate lines, right? This way we use this. The next topic, center tag. Center tag, it is a container tag used to align contents towards the center. So, it is a container tag, so opening and closing and in between the text. Let's do this also. Okay. So, here, let's write it like this. Okay. Okay, now body. Center, right? Center, names of my friends. Center tag close. Then BR. Okay. Aishwarya. Tanishka Prince. Okay, suppose these are my friends now. After that, sorry, yeah. After that, what we'll do? After writing this, we'll just close body, then we'll close HTML. Done. Go to file, save as, and the other name we'll give it like my friends dot html. Okay. Okay. My friends. Okay. Let's go view it. See, names of my friends aligned in center and then my friend's name. Okay. Done. Understood? Now move to the PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Now the HR tag. What is this? This is an empty tag used to add shaded horizontal lines in web page and to separate two different things in document. Okay? Understood? Now this is the syntax basically. HR size is equal to value, then width percentage. Width is equal to percentage, align option, and then the color, it's like separated, sorry, is equal to then the color name. Okay? Let's apply this also in our notepad. Suppose I want between Aishwarya and Tanishka a line, right? So what we'll do? A horizontal line. Okay. For that, I'll apply the HR tag. HR. Then after that, size. Let's take it as 5. Suppose 5. Then the width is equal to, in percentage it should be written, so let's take it as 20%. Then align is equal to center. Okay, I want to align that center, right? Then color is equal to, suppose the color should be blue. Okay, done. This much. Then close this much. Now nothing else will change, just my friends 2, that write it 2 dot html. Enter. Done. Go to desktop. See, here we get C. So between Tanishka, here you can see Aishwarya, she is my classmate, and Tanishka and Princy are my home friends, like that. Okay, so in the center we get the line. Okay, P tag is nothing but the paragraph tag, container tag. It is used to begin paragraph in web page. Starts with P tag, ends with this. So the syntax is P content and then P close. At align attribute can also be used. Okay, and the syntax is given below. Let's apply this also in Notepad. Suppose this, after this, I want P. They are my best friends. Okay, suppose I have written like that. Okay, then close P. Done. Now let's make it file 3. Okay, desktop 3.html. Save it. Let's view. See, reference 3. Okay. See, paragraph left and then these are my friend. Okay. Done. Understood each and everything. So today till this much only. Oh, I forgot one. Okay, text highlighting tags. So these are bold or strong, used to make the characters bold. Syntax, this I have given. I or EM, used to display the text in italic style. U, used to underline the text. Then this one, then sup, used to write the text in superscript form. syntax given, subscript used to write in subscript form. Let's see these all once applied in the notepad. So after body, let's write my name only, Yashika, like this. Okay, understood? Now after body, I'll write first was bold, so let's take B, Yashika, B close, or you can either write instead of B, you can write strong. Okay. Yashi dot html. Done. Let's view it. Or let's make all first and then we'll view one by one. Okay. Now instead of B, I'll put like I here also. I here will close. Okay. Save it as yashipart2.html. Done. Now other is underline. Okay. Okay. Yashi3.html. Okay. Hi. H. Okay. So suppose I want A and then I want it to be soup 2. Soup close. Okay. A square. Okay. Now done. This will also save. Four dot html saved, and the last is sub. P just type B. Now save as Yashika 5.html. Okay. OOHTML. Done. Desktop will save it. Now let's view everything one by one. Oh my desktop is filled now. Okay, so let's view that. First Yashi, let's start with Yashi. See, it's written with bold. Next is Yashi 2, Yashi part 2. Let's view that. In this it is written with italics. Okay. I opened it once again. Okay, let it be Yashi 3. Okay. My name is underlined. Yashi 4. A square. I don't know what to say this. I don't know, but I have applied it, right? Here is then below 2. Okay. So this way we complete today's topics. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, I hope you liked my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel to see more interesting videos from my side. If any query, you can freely write me in the chat box, means the comment section, and for sure I'll help you. Stay safe, stay healthy, we'll fight with corona. Okay, bye bye.